10 जने रह गए।
हाँ
10 जने रह गए सर। 18 में से 10 रह गए।
ये तो बहुत लोग गायब हैं यार।
सर 10 बाकी हैं अभी तो।
हाँ
10 जने आना बाकी है।
आ जाएंगे आ जाएंगे, नो प्रॉब्लम। लेट मी सी। नीति बेटा आ गया। हार्दिक शर्मा रीजॉइंट। वेरी गुड। 10 हो गए हम लोग। आज हमको कहाँ से बात करनी थी? We have to start with the effect of diet now, right? We
यस सर।
can.
यस सर।
अच्छा, अब मेरे पास में कंप्यूटराइज अटेंडेंस का मेथड है, ठीक है? एट एनी टाइम आई कैन टेक द अटेंडेंस और नो बडी विल लीव। ऑल राइट, 10 है, पढ़ सकते हैं, घट नहीं सकते, क्योंकि अटेंडेंस मेरे पास में यहाँ पे 1 क्लिक पे है। एनी टाइम आई कैन टेक द अटेंडेंस एंड डोंट गिव एक्सक्यूज कि सर इज ए प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इंटरनेट एंड फलाना एंड दिखाना। ऑल राइट, वीकली वी आर 10, सो आई एम टेकिंग 10 पीपल अटेंडेंस, राइट? ये मेरे पास में आ गया। यहाँ से मेरे पास में अटेंडेंस आ जाती है। ऑल राइट, मैंने हर एक चीज आपके लिए डाउनलोड कर रखा है। एक दिन आपको ये भी सिखाऊंगा सारी चीजें। वैसे आपको सारी चीजें मालूम होंगी, ये है ना? हम इससे भी बात कर सकते हैं। आ रहा है सामने, दिख रहा है? चलो गुड। सो कैन आई स्टार्ट और आई शुड वेट फॉर समवन? अभी नमन नहीं आया है, सिद्धार्थ का भाई।
सर 1 मिनट कॉल कर रहा हूँ सर।
हाँ यार, कॉल करो। और कौन नहीं है? नीति बेटा आ गया है, पलक आई हुई है आज। इनको बोलो कि भैया क्लास में रहे, अचानक से सारी चीजें शुरू हो जाएंगी और बहुत मुश्किल होगी फिर बाद में, है ना? रिवीजन विल ऑल्सो बी रिमेन इफेक्टिव until unless you remain here on this online platform. After coming to the school, if we wanted to complete our revision work, this will also going to help there. Otherwise, we will be in the great difficulty. Are you getting my point? So all of you have to join this class. Remember, it's a hard time and we all have to just pull up our socks. यहाँ भैया तैयार रहना है ना? Right? Okay, 2 more has left. What happened? Let me check. Aditya is here, Deepesh is here, Neeti is here, Palak is here, Parth is here, Ubesh is here, Vishwas
सर सिद्धार्थ
Sharma.
कॉल करना क्या होगा?
ओके ओके, सिद्धार्थ
यस सर।
कॉल करने की क्या काटने की?
साईराम।
हाँ, क्या हुआ बेटा?
साईराम सर।
हाँ साईराम, साईराम विश्वास।
यस सर।
हाँ हार्दिक, क्या हुआ?
तो वो नमन को कॉल करने क्या होगा? सिद्धार्थ इस वजह से 9
यस,
दिखा रहे हैं।
might be. दीपेश has joined. दीपेश लेट हो गया बेटा?
सर नहीं हुआ।
ओके, ऑल राइट। चलो, जो लोग जुड़ते जाएंगे फिर दिखते जाएंगे, है ना? वी विल स्टार्ट। वो कहाँ से शुरू करना था, है ना? देखते हैं। लेट मी सी। कैन यू सी माई screen now?
यस सर।
All right.
यस सर।
We have to start with PPT now. I hope you are able to see this.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Today we have to start with you have given me the topic effect of diet on performance, right? Uh, this we have already discussed, no?
Yes, sir.
Energy requirement for the individual. This we have already discussed with all formulas, BER, and this all factors affect effects of diet on performance, right? From here we have to start, right? Niti, am I right?
Yes. हाँ यहीं से करना है.
All right. So diet plays an important role in sports performance as there are a lot of activities and games and sports where the individuals requires a specific diet to improve the performance, right? Now, now you can take the examples. The different kind of the activities required a different kind of diet. If we will go in the past, you can see that proteins required for what? See, I will come back here quickly. Protein. So there are basic structure of all living cells. They are complex organic compounds which forms chain of amino acid that contains the carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. Proteins are main component of muscles, tendons, ligaments, organs, glands, and all living body fluid like enzymes and hormones and blood. So proteins are needed for growth and development of the body. It helps to repair or replace the worn out tissues. It does not provide energy in the normal routine where it acts as an energy source. So the games and sports which require a lot of energy, right? Where the more chances of burning out of the tissues and the cells, that kind of the games and sports require more amount of proteins, right? Carbohydrates. If you will go to the carbohydrates, carbohydrates are this starch which contains various type of sugar molecules combined chemically to form glycogen, right? Now this they are also good source of vitamins and the fibers. Complex carbohydrates are found in bread, these all the beets, rice, vegetables. Excess amount of carbohydrates are stored in liver and tissues from where they releases the energy. तो जहां पे हमको स्टोर्ड एनर्जी की ज्यादा जरूरत है, स्टोर्ड एनर्जी जहां पे स्प्रिंट्स हो रहे हैं, जहां पे बहुत तेज एक्टिविटी, जहां पे वी आर नॉट एबल टू ब्रीथ प्रॉपरली, even we are not having the time to breathe properly, where the activities performed in the absence of the oxygen. That kind of the games and sports require more carbohydrates. So I think you are getting the idea. So different kind of the activities requires different kind of diets. Are you getting my point? Yes or no करते रहना, जिससे मुझे अंदाजा रहेगा यहाँ बच्चों को मेरी बात पकड़ में आ रही है. Okay, so diet plays an important role in almost all activities. The diet during the training period should be rich of complex carbohydrates along with low fat diet, and this diet helps to provide sufficient energy during the training period, because in the training period we have to do a lot of hard work, and for that we required complex kind of carbohydrates with little amount of fat. The diet 1 week before the competition should be rich of complex carbohydrates like rice, wheat, bread, potatoes, milk, cake, etc. Tails, this all. This raises the glycogen storage of energy on the body, in the body. So when we take the complex kind of carbohydrates near to the this competition, then it helps to store more glycogen in our body, and this glycogen storage help in creating the energy at the time of emergency. So vitamins and minerals also be maintained during this period. The meal before the competition should be taken at least 3 to 4 hours before. Whenever we are going for any competition or any training period, then we have to take this diet or meal 3 to 4 hours before, so that the food should be digested properly. This diet should be rich of complex carbohydrates, and whatever we are taking in this meal before competitions, they should be complex carbohydrates, low in fat, low in proteins, and low in fibers food like milk, peels, rice, wheat, bread. ये थोड़ा सा कम अमाउंट में होगा. The diet during the competition should be consist of simple carbohydrates. If we are going in competition, we are in the competition. Now we require something to eat, and if we want to eat it during that competition, then it should be simple carbohydrate, which is basically easily digestible. So that has to be remain in the mind in the prolonged period of activity. Like you have seen it in the tennis, this lawn tennis. In between the one game, the player used to eat bananas or apple, and then they drink some energy drink. So likewise, simple carbohydrate kind of food has to be taken during this period. Prolonged activity for more than 1 hour, intensive workout. It should be more in liquid form rather than the stuffy form. Whatever we are taking during the competition time, whatever the diet we are taking during the competition time, that diet should be in the simple carbohydrate, and moreover, it should be in the liquid form. It helps to maintain water balance of the body along with sufficient quick energy sources like fruits, fruit juices, banana, etc. Right? So this all should maintain our water balance of the body. Dehydration नहीं होता है. It prevents from the dehydration. In contact games, wrestling, judo, kabaddi, karate, there are a lot of injuries during the training period. Now it's a combat game, it's a contact game. So in this, there are chances that the pupil may suffer with the injuries, right? So there are a lot of injuries during this training period or the competition time. Thus, their diet has more amount of proteins. I have already informed you. We have seen it in the previous slide that proteins helps in repair and replacing the burnout tissues. So if you are participating in this contact kind of the sports like wrestling, judo, kabaddi, karate, then you have to have the more protein rich diet during the competition or in the training periods. And these players are also advised to take a lot of complex carbohydrates along with vitamins and the minerals. So this diet is basically a combination of proteins, complex kind of carbohydrates, vitamins, and the minerals. Right? In explosive activities. Now, what is the explosive activities? Activities like throws, jumps, weightlifting, where your muscles generate explosive kind of strength, explosive kind of movement. Then the players should take a lot of vitamins, minerals, whereas raised amount of proteins are also advised, so that whatever the energy you required according to the requirement of games and sports, that should be met properly, right? So this is all about the effect of diet on performance. If you are not taking proper diet, then what will happen? You may suffer with your performance. You may not have that level of energy which you required for your games and sports, right? I hope I am able to make it more clear. Am I visible now?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So in this total chapter, in this total topic, what we have understood, that any kind of activity which we are performing is required the different kind of diet. If we are participating in a combat kind of game where you have to have the more strength and endurance you have to show, at that place you require more protein rich diet. Whereas when you are playing in a long duration of kind of activities, there you require more carbohydrate rich diet, so that the energy should be uh, taken during that long duration. And if you are participating in a explosive kind of activities, then you require proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, and vitamins. So these are the diets basically we have to take during the training program. And it depend on the kind of activity which you are involved in it. I hope I made it very clear. Yes or
Yes,
Yes,
no?
sir.
थोड़ा सा बोलते चलो यार, है ना? Very good. So next is all right. So sports activities. Yeah, this is the chart, right? Sports activities, diet during the training, diet before competition, and diet during the competition. Right? It's a table. So any activity which has the endurance activities like players of marathon, basketball, football, hockey, cyclist, these kind of the players or the activities in which the endurance are more prominent. What kind of the diet you have to take during the training program? Lots of complex carbohydrates, more amount of low fat, sufficient water, rice, potato, wheat, bread, chocolate, cake, biscuit, pulses, pills. This all you have to take during the training program. The diet before competition, more amount of complex carbohydrates like rice, potato, wheat, breads. This you can eat. And during the competition, simple carbohydrates. यहाँ पे complex during the training and before competition, complex kind of carbohydrates. But when you are in the competition, then you have to switch over to the simple carbohydrates and sufficient water if it is required. Right? After, sorry, not after, the activity which basically runs more over 1 hour, then you have to take this like fruits, juice, glucose water, etc. This is you have to take into account. You have to remember when you are participating endurance kind of activities, this kind of the diet has to be taken. Diet during the training program, diet before competition, and diet during the competition. Right now, suppose skill based. Uh, skill activities or speed activities like players of sprints, middle distance races, these all. So sufficient amount of complex kind of carbohydrates, lot of vitamins and the minerals and proteins, right? This they have to take during the training program. More amount of carbohydrates during the competition, sorry, before competition, and then simple carbohydrates in liquid form. This you have to take during the competition. This we have already discussed it. The next is eating disorders. So eating disorders are the condition defined by the abnormal eating habits that may involve either insufficient or excessive food intake to determine of an individual's physical and mental health. right? Bulimia and nervosova and anorexia nervosova are common eating disorders, right? ये दो तरीके के डिसऑर्डर्स हैं, एक एक्सेसिव और एक नॉट ईटिंग सफिशिएंट, राइट? मैंने ये कराया हुआ, मुझे याद आ रहा है। हार्दिक,
नो सर, नहीं कराया था।
ओके, हार्दिक यू रीड आउट। हार्दिक यू रीड आउट।
Yes, sir. It is eating disorder characterized by recurrent binge eating, followed by compensatory behavior such as purging, self-induced vomiting, excessive use of laxatives or diuretics, or excessive exercise. Fasting and over-exercising may also be used as method of purging following a binge.
Right, what is it purging? I've already, I think I have discussed in the last 11th class that what happens sometimes the people want to look slim and trim, and what they do,
सर लेफ्ट हुआ है।
हम्म।
है ना हार्दिक?
हाँ
लेफ्ट हुआ है सर।
हाँ, लेफ्ट हो गया। मुझे लगा मेरा नेट नहीं चल रहा।
मुझे भी लगा था नेट नहीं चल रहा।
हाँ, मुझे लगा कि भाई नेट खराब हो गया।
कहाँ से आवाज आ रही?
नमन सर, जल्दी आ जाया करो यार। नमन आया
हार्दिक
ही नहीं।
रिकॉर्डिंग पे
ओके ओके।
Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Very sorry. I lost signals. I'm very sorry. कहाँ थे हम लोग? Shall I come? Shall I present my PPT?
Yes, sir.
Very sorry. All right. दिख रहा है बेटा?
Sir.
है भाई. Yes, Hardik. Yes, Hardik.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. विश्वास शर्मा की यहाँ से आवाज आ रही है. विश्वास शर्मा की यहाँ से गलत आवाज आ रही है. Yes, Hardik.
Yes, sir. In this eating disorder, the person consumes large amount of food in a short time without chewing properly, followed by an attempt to get rid oneself of food consumed by vomiting. This disorder leads to loss of important minerals from body, thus leading to serious health problems.
I hope you have all have understood this, right? So in this eating disorder, the person consumes large amount of food in a short time without chewing properly. At least 32 times that one grass we have to chew. What happens? You can just imagine how fast you people eat. So it is not good. We have to change the habits. We have to change our eating behavior. We have to chew properly that food and then swallow, followed by attempt to get rid oneself by vomiting. So eating and then throwing out that food by vomiting, then this disorder leads to the loss of important minerals from the body and thus is leading to the serious health problems. So it's a serious health problem, right? This bulimia nervosa. This is a serious kind of eating disorders. Now, anorexia and bulimia affect your whole body. Now see how. Yes, Hardik.
Brain and nerves. Pehla point.
हाँ.
Can't think right, fear of gaining weight, sad, moody, bad memory, fainting,
If you are suffering with anorexia,
anorexia.
right? If you are suffering with the anorexia, then the brain and nerves cannot think right, fear of gaining weight, sad, moody, bad memories, fainting. These symptoms may arise, right? Okay, Hardik,
Yes, ma'am. Hair, dry brittle hair. Heart,
right? Yes.
low blood pressure, slow heart rate, fluttering of heart, heart failure.
Next,
Blood, anemia and other blood problems. Muscles and bones, weak muscles, swollen joints, fractures, osteoporosis.
now see the effects. This all serious kind of the bad effects come on our health if it's not able to take our diet in a proper way. Either we are overeating or we are eating less. In both conditions, it affects. Yes, kidney.
Kidney, kidney stones, kidney failure.
Yeah,
Body fluids, low potassium, magnesium and sodium.
right.
Hormones, menstrual period loss, bones loss, growth retardation, trouble getting pregnant.
Yeah,
Skin, bruise easily, dry skin, growth of fine hair over body, get cold easily, yellow skin, nails get brittle.
now see this all effects which comes on our body can be eradicated, can be minimized if we will take the right kind of the health practices, right kind of the food eating habits. Right? Yes, next. Hardik.
Bulimia,
Hmm.
brain, depression, fear of gaining weight, anxiety, dizziness, embarrassment, low self-esteem.
So this all affects
Okay.
डिप्रेशन, फियर ऑफ गेनिंग वेट, एंग्जाइटी, डिजीनेस, एम्बरसमेंट, मैं ऐसा क्यों दिखता हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, दिस ऑल डेवलप्स when we are not taking our diet properly. Yeah,
Cheeks, swelling, soreness.
yeah.
Mouth, cavities, tooth enamel erosion, gum disease, teeth sensitive to hot and cold foods. Heart, irregular heartbeats. Throat and esophagus.
Esophagus, yes.
Sore, irritated, can tear and rupture, blood and vomit. Muscles, fatigue. Stomach, ulcers, pain, can rupture, delayed emptying. Skin, abrasion of knuckles, dry skin.
So these are the some disadvantages. Some are the sign and symptoms. If we are not having proper diet, either we are eating over or we are eating less. In both conditions, our health get suffered, our body get suffered. Anorexia nervosa. Yes. Continue, Siddharth. Oh, sorry, Hardik.
Yes, sir. In this eating disorder, it is characterized by food restriction and irrational fear of gaining weight, as well as a distorted body self perception. In this disorder, the person restricts the amount of food because of fear of gaining weight. This eating disorder causes metabolic and hormonal disorder.
Right? So nowadays, the people, those who are basically very conscious, beauty conscious or health conscious, sometimes what happens in that consciousness, they do little wrong kind of the things. This food restriction and irrational fear of gaining weight. If I will eat this, I will may gain weight. If I will eat this, I may just become obese. So that kind of the that mentality or thinking and not having the proper kind of the food, it also causes this disorder, right? And what kind of the disorders? Metabolic and hormonal disorders develops in the body, right? We have already seen it. What is the difference between uh, that bulimia and anorexia nervosa, right? So these are the reasons we have to be very careful when we are having the food. Yes, prolonged. Yeah, Hardik.
Prolonged anorexia causes serious health problems like loss of appetite, nausea, feeling, dizziness, headache, and lack of energy. This disorder is mostly common among girls, and they often hunger or starve to gain thin figure or reduce weight.
So sometime this remaining thin or try to control our weight sometime puts us in the wrong side. So remember, according to the BMI, body mass index, as we are having the height, so as our weight, right? Weight upon height square. Remember that. It should be always maintained. It should be always maintained properly. We eat healthy and we eat properly. That is very important, right? Eating for weight control. Yeah, continue.
Preventing obesity. Balanced diet. Obese person should strictly take balanced diet with very less amount of carbohydrates and fats. Eating lots of fibrous food. Food items like fruit, salad, vegetables, etc. are rich sources of fibrous food. Foods with high fiber content provide vitamins and minerals to the body. They are low in energy food and thus prevent obesity. Avoid fats.
What we will do, we will stop it here and we will continue from this same point, eating for weight control, preventing obesity. We will do day after tomorrow, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? I'm coming.
Yes, sir.
I'm coming back to you. Now you can see. You can see my video. I am
Yes,
visible
sir.
now.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
sir.
All right. मैं असाइनमेंट देने थे मुझे. Shall I send this all the assignments on the WhatsApp?
Yes, sir.
जिससे आपको 2-3 दिन मिल जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट क्लास अगेन आई विल कंटिन्यू. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर असाइनमेंट आई विल सेंड इट टू यू ऑन द WhatsApp. Right? I hope time is over
Yes, sir.
because I am also having the second class. So what we will do, I will send this all the assignment on the WhatsApp group, and according to that, you all have to make 3 or 4 slides, and gradually you people will take over the subject and you will start presenting. Right? You can make PDF, you can make a small video, or you can make a PPT presentation. This all can be done by you people. Right? If any help is needed from my side, you are always welcome. Right? uh, I just wanted to show you uh, one more thing. I just forgot. Then I will close. I hope you all people are having this PDF with you. This PDF I've already given you in the last classes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है? सबके पास में है ये?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
क्योंकि डिटेल में पढ़ना है और at any time I can take the exam. At least I will give 2-3 days and then we can continue with the exams. But not very soon. I will take 7 days or 8 days. Once we will come in the flow of these studies, then I will take this all exam, right? So I have shared this PDF with you. If you will just save it with you, it is good, right? चलिए तो फिर मिलते हैं, है ना? मैं थोड़े से और चीज़ों को ऐड करके फिर आपसे बात करता रहूँगा. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, अच्छे से रहिएगा, ठीक है? चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच. साई राम टू ऑल. चलिए, थैंक यू बेटा.
Sairam, sir. Thank you.
Now you all have to leave.